this note-taking thing down pat? No worries. I don't have to take notes. I got this, yo. Beowulf exemplifies the major characteristics of the epic hero because of stuff. Because of stuff, yes. And Beowulf, I got these examples too, TV. I got this. The examples are reasons. My examples are reasons. Yes, they are. I got this. Yeah. So if you're afraid that will be you, fear not, because Miss Smith is here to help you be a better note taker. So we're going to do what's called backwards planning, where we start from the end and work our way up. So we know if we look in I'm looking at the OHS right now, if we look in the OHS that I've already assigned to you a critical constructed response question. And that CRQ should be flashing across the bottom of your screen right now. Or something kind of like it. So you got to look at the constructed response question first. And so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to work backwards from there. So you see I have the start of my backwards plan here. And you see I already have highlighters chosen that I'm going to use because Miss Smith likes to color coordinate her notes just because that's the way my brain works. And so you see I have the traits of the Anglo-Saxon hero, and I have where I've written down my 3 traits here, and then the traits of my literary epic poem here, where I have my 3 traits here. And so you can see I've made here an annotation. Remember we talked about those during the race video? An annotation is whenever you make a note in the margins, which we can't write in the margins, so I've had to do this, right? That's where my post-it notes come in handy. So I've written on this post-it note in line 669 that Beowulf has the king's trust. Well, I also said that Beowulf has the Lord's favor. Well, these are both, you see where I use my pen? These are both traits of the Anglo-Saxon hero. You see, I already made this note in my backwards planning, and I have assigned my purple highlighter to it. So over here on my annotation, I've just taken my purple highlighter and I have just drawn on it a couple of times. So that way I know that right there, that's going to go towards the traits of the Anglo-Saxon hero whenever I am writing my constructive response. So how does that transfer to this? Well, I've already got this right here, right? The Lord's favor. B had the Lord's favor. Let me get into the recipient of supernatural help right here. How does Beowulf show this characteristic? Well, he has the Lord's favor. And then I got my example right here. And I could put down on there, pink posty, line 669. And there's my evidence right there. Because you know what? Nobody's going to look at all of this but you. So this is only one way of doing it. There are tons of ways out there to take notes. There's not one right way or one wrong way. And if you have another way that works better for you, that's completely cool. But I do want you to stay organized in whatever you do, because that means that you will be more prepared whenever it comes time for you to write your constructive response question. Thanks for watching.